We're Skylight Academy of Music. This channel will be your go-to place for growing as a musician. Whether you're here to strengthen your voice, build piano skills, or deepen your understanding of music theory, we'll share practical, professional music training from vocal technique and warm-ups to piano tutorials, rhythm training, and sheet music tips. Everything is designed to help you build confidence and skill one step at a time. You'll also get behind-the-scenes looks at our student concerts, creative projects, and interviews from our Skylight community and beyond. Whether you're a curious beginner, a passionate student, or a lifelong learner, this channel is for you. So if you're ready to grow as a musician and want honest, effective, and encouraging guidance, subscribe to Skylight Academy of Music and hit that bell so you never miss a lesson. At Skylight Academy of Music, we believe you are the light. And with the right guidance and community behind you, the sky's the limit. Skylight Academy of Music. More than music. It's life.